Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can upload an HTML file to your Wix website. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, you're going to find these two options. Here you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Right here in the center of your page, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, hover your mouse over the site you want to edit. Click on select and edit site. And then you're going to be taken to your dashboard right here. Once you're here in the dashboard, go to the left side of your screen. And then right here, you're going to find all of these sections. Here in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. Go ahead and click on edit site. And then you will be redirected to this tab right here. So once here, just wait for this page to load. This is going to be the editor for Wix. So once you're here, this is how the editor page will look like. Here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to customize or design your site. So go ahead and click on add element. And then once you do that right here, you're going to find the option to add a text element, image, button, strip, box, and so on. So in this list, go ahead and search for embed code and then go to popular embeds. Then here under custom elements, you're going to find the option to embed HTML. Go ahead and click on this little plus icon and then it will be added to your page right here. And then you're going to have this window right here. So they're going to ask you, what do you want to add? You can either choose website address or code. If it's HTML, make sure you choose code. And then here you need to add your code. So all you need to do guys is paste your code right here. Click on update. You can also type here what's in the embed and then click on apply and it will be added right here. Once you finish, click on save and then you're good to go. So this is us guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.